How to log out Microsoft Teams from all other devices. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Microsoft Teams. Well, if you are logged into a specific account, then what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Account. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on Sign Out. Once again click on Sign Out. Once you have been logged out of your specific account, once again click on Use Another Account. Enter the email address associated with your account and then tap on Next. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Tap on Use Your Password instead. Even if you remember the password, tap on Forgot Password and proceed to change your password. Once the password has been changed, your account will be logged out from all other devices and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.